Pork chops are an underrated source of quality protein. And right now, they're a more cost-effective choice of meat than fish or beef. And this 5-ingredient recipe is simple, delicious, and could be on your table in just 15 minutes. And at less than 1 gram of carb and 31 grams of protein per pork chop, this recipe is worth its weight in gold. So keep watching, and I'll show you how to make them. Welcome to Keto Craft Kitchen, your source for the best keto, low carb, and healthy recipes. So we never give pork chops the love they deserve. They taste amazing and are really great bang for your buck as far as lean meat sources go. And in a gram for gram comparison to chicken breast, pork chops have more protein, more calcium, more iron, and more fat, which is ideal for a ketogenic diet. You can air fry or pan fry these, and both versions taste amazing. So if you're ready for the last pork chop recipe you will ever need, let's just get into the recipe. To start this recipe out, you want to take a 2-ounce bag of plain pork rinds, put that in a gallon Ziploc bag, and crush it up with a mallet or rolling pin until you get the consistency of panko breadcrumbs. Put your crushed pork rinds in a bowl and add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and give it a quick mix and set that aside. Now you want to prepare the coating for your pork chops, which will consist of 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. And give that a quick mix. Now you want to coat your pork chops. I used 1/2-inch thick, boneless, lean pork chops, but you could use whichever ones you prefer. Now use a basting brush and coat the pork chops with the mustard mixture. Coat it evenly on both sides. Now take your coated pork chops and press them firmly into your breadcrumb mixture. Make sure to cover both sides. If you have any leftover pork rind breadcrumbs, you can sprinkle those on top. Now you can cook them in a 380-degree air fryer, 10 to 13 minutes, flipping halfway through, or pan fry them in a skillet coated in avocado oil, 4 to 5 minutes each side. If pan frying, you want to cook it on medium-high heat. Bone-in and thicker cuts of pork will take a little bit longer. If you're unsure, just make sure the internal temperature is 145 degrees and let it rest for 5 minutes. Once they're done resting, go ahead and serve it and enjoy those awesome keto pork chops. So I just paired these pork chops with some steamed broccoli, drizzled with some sriracha. These look delicious. I'm just gonna dig in. Cheers. Wow. Pork chops do not get the love they deserve. These are so good. If you want a dinner idea where you get the most nutritional bang for your buck, there's a recipe to hold on to. If you know someone who could use this simple pork chop recipe, please share the video and let me know in the comments section what's your favorite side dish for pork chops. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen out. If you're looking for an easy dessert recipe, please check out this keto no-bake chocolate cheesecake video. And for all my healthy recipes, please check out this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe.